What's up, guys? Danny here, Griswold Family Vacay, and we are in San Antonio at the Drury and Suites by the Cantera shopping mall. I'll put a link to the exact hotel in the description below. Normally, when we come down to San Antonio, we stay at the Drury, but we stay at the Riverwalk Drury. So, first time staying here, I'll take you guys on a tour of our room number 1227. Let's go. Alright, so first thing you guys see, you walk in is the space, the amount of space. Pretty spacious. You got a chair, table with lamp, nice couch, another lamp, desk with a phone, and a decent size flat screen TV, mirror, cabinets with dresser space. I believe the bed probably is the bed a sleeper sofa, Lanny?
Huh?
Is it a sleeper sofa? Just lift up that first cushion or the second cushion. We'll see if it's a.
Yeah, it is.
So the bed is a sleeper. It's a sleeper sofa. So about a full size or queen size sleeper sofa in here as well. So that's nice. Over here we've got the nice full size fridge with water, Keurig, cabinet space, microwave, sink. And then over here to the right is the bathroom. Nice full size mirror. Shower. They have the refillable soaps and body wash and conditioners. Instead of giving you the little samples, they have the refillable containers that are on the wall. Nourish. Looks like the product that they use here. Then closet. Nice size closet. Extra blankets, extra pillows. Got a safe here. Looks like it'd fit a laptop. Pictures. 2 queen size beds. Are they nice? Do a bed test.
This is mine.
Landon's gonna do a bed test real quick. That is not a bed test. You gotta do a belly flop, bro.
Oh, okay. I bet my dad.
Bed test. Here we go.
Yeah,
Pass?
It's good.
It's good. Another TV. More dresser space. So again, this is our room in number 1227. Here at the Drury and in Suites near La Cantera Shopping Center.